Morning. Sir Fred. Good morning. What's up? Kuya Dre. Kuya, Jollibee. Jollibee. DJ. Wala pa, ano mong tabi sa dila? Ay, kagayong bandang lang pala. Ay, pagay. Magic. Suddenly, it's my day.
Kumati.
Nothing at the moment, but Fred, what are you have funny for me to see today? I'm calling my sister calling me, my God.
Bluetooth mode. Connected.
Bisaya, no. Tagalog. Nothing at the moment, but this morning is Philippines language though. Yeah. Had blackouts 2 days straight and didn't have... Nana! Nakalive ako!
Ano? Ay, nakalip.
Tapos,
Kinuha ko para mag-attend sa aga sa para sa natin sa PMMP para
Busy.
Sunod-sunod pag ano.
Busy ay.
Marami lang appointment.
Naka-live, ano ba yan? Busy. Appointment. Thank you, 21 million. Huh? Okay, I can understand Tagalog, but not. Yeah, it's okay. We will rock you. we will rock you. Wife won't teach me because then she can talk about me. Like ambot sa imo dong. You know that, Sir Fred? Ambot sa imo dong. Dadah. Oh, may Milo dito sa balay. Mike and Venus, Sir Mike and Venus, thank you pa. Busy. Wala pa pagkape. Hindi pa nakakape. Hi, MJ. Hello, friends. Ay, nirap big kasi ng princess. Where's Mike? Sir Fred, where's Mike? Good morning, MJ. Nag-almusal na si Daraga. Daraga, ano magayon? Pakarin ka mo? Udahan ko ng pula. Oh, si Tane ito.
Lapit na si Tiana.
You are the one. You are the one. Thank you, Hahadri. He's your husband, not mine. Ask him where he is. Oh, sorry. So, oh my God. That's why I'm learning when my jowa stomp her feet and talking at me. You're probably sleeping, yes. 4'11" of Filipina, terrible when she wants to be. Sir John! Good morning, Sir John! Good morning. Yeah, know all about the 3 mines. Only 5 degrees. Hingi tayo. Hingi. Hingi lang po. Sorry naman, sorry. When mine gets like that, I hide the machetes. The machetes. Hard. Geek. Ano? Hi, Jerome. Hala, gatas. Kuya Ian, good morning. Nangingi ako ng gatas. Wala kami gatas eh. Hingi ko yung gatas ng baby. Sir Dwayne. Good morning, Sir Dwayne. Lagi na sulay o gatas. Walay kape. May kape. Ito, walay kape. May kape. Hi, Johnson somewhere now. Hi. Hi, Dwayne from Sir Fred. Fred, good morning. Walay pa suklay. Walay suklay. Walay pa. Sir Fred. Sticker drill. Alarm. Letter Dre. Letter good people. In Jollibee time for work. Aray ko. Aray ko. Work again. Aray. Mura kagbataan na. Ano? Sir Derek Jones, good morning. I'm so happy to see you, my Cheryl. Sir Derek. Kuya, take care. Take care, Kuya Jay. Lulian. They don't do with alarm here. Yeah, the alarm here is the roaster. Hi, Angel Benitez. Take care, Kuya. Jollibee. Take care. Awaton ang turog ni Dadang ah. Awaton na nagturog kagabi. Pagal. Don't you ever come back to me. so foggy the hair right now. I can see the road from house. Because you are the top of the ano. Maybe they don't see you the house, your home because so foggy, Sir Fred. Rain and wind right now. Is that my cake po? Sir John, yes. I ate your cake. The cake, the piece of cake. Craig Smith, hi Sir Craig. Jose. Can't do yourself, Dwayne. Fred having a lot of transmission problems with my Jeep. Has different transmission put in. Storm be here late today, early tomorrow morning. Okay po. They actually easy to change. Coffee, Jose. Fred, normally I could, but it has that four-wheel drive transfers case. I can't work around that. Not cheap letting someone do it. Okay, bottom line, you just didn't want to. I'm too old. Well, yeah, you get the idea. I'm too old for that stuff. I'm too old too. Too old too? Yeah. Still young. He was acting like a baby yesterday. I'm going to bully Mike big time today. Oh my God. Maybe he mad at you, Sir Fred. He mad at you. Lagot ka. Let him be mad. Oh my God! Cheryl. May tao. May tao. ML tayo. Hindi ako nag-ML. Hi! Ano yan? I am Sir Lauren. Good morning over there, lady. Inday. I'm not Bisaya. Inday is for Bisaya. But you see, he is scared also because he told you take moderation from me but change his mind fast, huh? Fred, he was supposed to text me the other day. I haven't heard anything from him. Nagamit ko Moscow. Wala akong alam dyan. Danny had tampo yesterday. Only tampo? Just tampo? Yes, Mike had big time tampo. My God. Big time tampo. He's like a woman. No. Hurt his feeling. My God. Fred, what do you do? Start bullying. Oh my God. Sir Fred, bully Mike. Not good. I thought maybe he was running home to mommy to cry. Well, I sent him a video he didn't like. The bully man. Hi, Jose. Imbaldoza. Shout out. Hi. Shout out to you. He didn't respond all day until last night. Oh my God. Shout out. Baldoza. Don't tease me, Cheryl. Why? I tease you. What should I do? what I do. Hello, Sir Ben. Good morning. You like I didn't make a short with the video. Don't do it again, Sir Fred. My God. Bakit ba? Bakit ako iikot? Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot. Ikot. You're just looking so delicious. Sir Derek. My God. Derek Jones. I will do it many more times. Sir Fred. Stop bullying. Ruben George Jimenez. Hi. Masih bisa ke tinggalin. Kumusta ang paray?
Mang kung kay kailangan kaya to kay kailangan ng karabaw.
Ha?
Kailangan ng karabaw pati pag ang kali. Kalihan ko yan.
Diin, banda.
Andin isang nakalindiro ni Intang. Nasaan dito sa kung ka naghiraya-ya na.
Lindiro ni Intang.
O ni Ilay.
Ah.
Kami daw karabaw ang tinara dito. Ibaan lang yun. O ribaan kali. Tapos andito naman sa Tutat na may kanda ko. Pabatangan ko yan kasi sako. Ay nag-iya-iya na. Madara ko dito sa ako sa Sabado. Sa tayo sa Sabado. Hindi punta ang palay. Nado kong pili kayo na bono.
Bono ba yan?
Bono yun.
Hi, Marcus. Fred, good Lord. I can only imagine, my God. Sir Fred. Sensible, how you are doing today?
Oh, matapalay ka pa lang.
I need to go to CR na. Nature calling me. Hi, Johannes Besta Bata. Need a lot of lucky luck to make a real man out of him when he's a joycy boy. Sir Fred, stop it! Stop! Wow, ang galing naman!
Salamat!
Oh my God, sorry ba? Ako man, kiss mo si Wawa. Kiss Wawa, ako daw. Wow, ang galing naman ng batang ko. Kiss mo. Oh, no. Kiss mo. Say hi.
Loren, si bata ni Intan, ang nadala. Si Loren.
Ay, ang sweet naman. Wala. Sweet baby. Nangilot ikaw kahapon?
Ang manok.
Nilot ikaw? Hindi ka inilot.
Oh. Ako agad ang prinsay. Taga ako doon.
Nilot ikaw. Lulumbong. Lulumbong. Hi, Cheryl. Hi, Demian. Sir Demian, hello. Ma'am Cheryl. Sir Brad, stop calling Mike. Hey, Demian. Hello, beautiful girl. Hi, Bossy Mashishi. Hi. Isa Arizal. Sir Brad, stop. Never stop. No, my God. laping, nagkakating laping. Bababaero daw ako. My God. Fred, I'm sure he will get over it at some point or another, Lul. My God. Sir Fred. Stop. 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 Yes, he's trying to figure out how much berry he owes me. Oh my. Kuya Ian. US. As. No Fred. Ay, okay, as Ian. Oh my God.
Taga ko din kape. Gusto mong kabaga? Bakit mo nga nakapila?
Kuha siya sa nila. Tatingin maya.
Gusto mong kabaga?
Uy, ang galing naman ni Julie, baby. Aday.
Bakit na ako pila? Bakit na ako kapila bang?
Ian, good morning. Good morning. From Sir Dwayne. Sorry, I was just out. The bird delivery company was here to exchange the last delivery. Thank you, Kuya Ian. Thank you so much. Take care. God bless. Have a nice day. Hi, Dwayne from Kuya Ian. Ragip Sahin. Let's see marriage, counseling, and sex education. So how many cases should I charge? Oh my God, it's red. Sinasabing bababae.
Ako ba bibing ang bag ko, bangwang. Oh, yaga. Ganto. Ang bag ko.
You're really going to be broke.
Maguman si Umod. Ang bag.
Ta-da! Oh, you're really going to be broke. Oh my God. Oh my God! Surprise! Fred, I had a feeling your beer delivery service is going to need a bigger truck. Oh my. My God, Mike won't have enough money left over to buy the flight tickets. Sir Ranel, thank you, Sir Ranel. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Ranel.
Kuan ka ko no, hello po.
Thank you pa. My continued money to be, my God. And the info I told him about coming to Philippines, oh Lord, that bird is adding up. Oh my God, Sir Brad. You are so good. I love you. Thank you, Bossy Mashishi. Already went from a small truck to medium-sized large. Large truck is next. Oh my God. Sir Ranel, thank you so much. God bless pa. Thank you, sir. Cheryl will be sending Mike money. Lul, keep the super chat coming in. Thank you pa for this Super chat. Thank you, Sir Ranel. Kuya Lul. Thank you po. God bless. My God. Nabel. Hi, cute. I watching from Syria. Thank you po, Nabel. From Syria. Wala man mainit.
Init.
Bole, kete. Mike is going to be like my short playing instrument on the street trying to make pesos. Better just send donation to Cheryl people. Yes po. Thank you. Sabi, mga pinsan, nagirito ako.
Kayla?
Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Domingo Diaz. Hi. Shirley, it's me, Sham. Did you get my message? This is my new channel. I'm locked out of my own. Why? Why locked out? What happened, Shamrak? Did you, you have a streak? What happened, Shamrak? Your old account, your main account. What happened? I am having to use this now. I lost the pass. Oh my God! You lost the password and I cannot reset it. I can't. Maybe I need to your email. I have set up a new one. Oh my God! So sad. 8 hours and 500. Yo, why? I'm right.
Nini.
So sad, Shamrak. My God, too much effort your main account. Oh my God. Maybe you try to your phone number and email. When you forget the password, maybe he asking for phone number and 3 easy way to recover your account. It is my own fault. I have set this one up now, okay? Oh my God. Hi, Christoph. I felt suicidal when it happened other night. I felt so alone and thought I lost all my friends. The pain was awful, but everyone has been so nice. Yeah. The right one, the real one is nice. I am feeling a little better and positive now. Yes, stay positive. Shamrak, you will do it again. I will solve you. You will do it again. I'm from Philippines. Thank you, sis. Always welcome. I will solve you, Shamrak. This is you always forget the password. It's easy to you need to easy to forget, easy to remember your password, baby. Please connect, guys. Yes, I will solve you.
Wait lang, may chocolate ka sa mata.
I post. Just post post the video, even a shorts video, just post it. It will grow, it will happen. I have written my password down now and use email backup account. Okay. Well, see you later. Need good things done. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you for joining. Take care. God bless. Have a nice day. God bless you, Cheryl. Thank you, Jamrock. Fred, take care, my friend. From Sir Dwayne. Wait, I connect to you. Thanks everyone for your support. God bless always, Shamrak. You need to know. Oh, you here now. You have uploads. Stay uploading videos. Oh, you need to shorts video. Yes. Sobdan, thanks for everyone. Sobdan, bagong gising ka ngayon, yes. Thank you, Sobdan, Sham. Kakagising ko lang, hey. Kakagising ko lang, I'm here, 1 AM here. You need to rest, Sham. Aquarius girl, yes. Thank you. Have you have your birthday yet? Yes, done. Birthday, happy birthday. My birthday is so happy. Hola, Manuel. Hi, Manuel. Thank you. Just watching. One, two, three, four, one. Oh my God. morning. My niece. She's taller than me. Say hi. Parang wala sa mood ah. Good morning. Sir Damian, she's so cute. Yes, she's so cute. Shamrak, Tika, Shamrak. Keep balance. Bye. Bye, Shamrak. Have a, you need rest. It will be fine. Just don't give up. Continue. Good morning, ladies. Thank you, Sir Jamie. Nardian to. Kung nang naririnig kaya kung sa aking isip sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko. Sapat na sa akin. Walang sapit di tulad ng iba, puro forma lang by Cheryl. It's 3:05 AM here in South Africa. Okay, bye-bye. Take care. Thank you, Vishu May. Vishu Agushi. Vosi Mashishi. Voshi Mashishi. Bye-bye. Ano ba pangalan na yan? Voshi Mashishi. Bye-bye. Thank you. Sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko. Ay, bad mood. Kakagising ko lang. Thank you po. Lucas. Early morning, she wakes up to say cry from the start. Someone said, she like it? Come and come, oh, she's so lucky. She's a star, so cry. I'm the lonely heart thinking nothing. Dancing. Oh, she's so like, thank you, Jimmy. She's the star, the cry, and the lonely heart thinking. Coming now. She's lucky that I couldn't get her. Oh, she's so lucky. She's starting to cry. Lonely heart beating. And it's not she's lucky. Thank you. Bye. Hola, Nestor. Oh my God. Di ko na nang natitinig kay raming gulo sa aking isip. Sapat na sa akin ang malalaman ko. Sapat na sa akin ang ko.
Oo, ayaw. Nagbuwen-buwen. Saka man nagbuwen-buwen. Nagbuwen-buwen. Maya na daw. Nakatulitan na kayo. Alis dyan. Murali na tayo na tinggal. Talaga pag sinagat na. Sige. Buen.
Hi, Sir Marcos. Jax, Sir Dwayne, thank you. Sir Marcos, thank you so much. Oh my God, jerky. Really, Jackson? I'm like that? Maybe you are. I am fine, Sir Marcos. Jackson. Don't describe yourself here. No one like you, sorry. Hi, I'm from Indonesia. How are you there? I'm fine. Aray ko.
Kita alam sana mawal talagaan.
Oh my God. I want Pujanto. Hello.
Mainit lang.
39 likes. Salamat sa nagla-likes po. Amor Baila para mi ex. Well. Hi, Star.
Opo. It's hot. Hot? No? Not yet.
Sana kailangan panahon. Baban! Tibang. So far. Come on here. Say hi. Hi. Padam. Say hi.
Bye.
Bye. Want to home.
How old are you?
How old are you? 3. Wow, 3 ka na. Mato pala. 3 ka pa lang. 2 ka pa lang. How old are you? Excited to. How old are you? What is your name? What is your name? My name is... What is your name? No. Hi. Papa, where's your papa? Where's papa? Papa, where's papa? Where's papa? Where's papa? Tata, tilidang, tilidang, tingandang, tilihibididong, tilihibididong. Flying kiss, flying kiss. Flying kiss, Baba. Oh my God. Oh, Artie. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ay, puputagan. No. Yucks. Kadiri. Dapat. Ew. No. Yuck. Jose. Thank you sa naga-heart, sending heart.
Bye.
Sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko.
Sino na po, papay? Mamay? Ha?
Nestor. Sapat na sa akin ng thank you, Fernando Korea. Fernando. Kiss Wawa. Kiss ako. Sorry.
Ay, naku ka. Ang aga din. Uy, dito mo yan. Ala. Wala mo na yung hilang mo. Talaga. Halika dito. Kasi Dana.
Na-na-nan, ta-nan. Hi, Anderson from Brazil. Yeah. Sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko. Sir Anel, Cheryl, don't be sad. I'm not sad po. Happy. Ja-na-na-na. It's so nice to be happy. Ja. Everybody should be happy. Thank you, Sir Anel. I'm not sad. Have a nice day po. Anderson. Jose. Hi, Jose. Sir Ben. Thank you, Sir Ben. Jose. Jose Antonio. Double tap and screen. Yes. Thank you, Sir Anel. Amorcito, así llamarse naman años estoy soltero. Ano yun? Nalalaman ka sapat na. Check it up, check it up. Kala saya. Saya na ba? Masaya kita. Don't you want to like magpunas ikaw? Ano yan? Wrong dial. The number you dial is either unattended. Thank you, 22 million. Hi there. He told you that has been single for 12 years. Okay. Sorry, I don't understand. Nistar. Sorry, I don't understand. You're single in 12 years. Oh my God. What happened? Thank you, Sir Ben. Kumusta po? Okay lang po, Sir William. Hi, Jeff. Hi, Sir Jeff. Thank you so much for the likes. Yung sinasabing bababae daw ako.
Nako.
Wala tubig, may inuman.
Kabon nyo.
You look young. Thank you. I'm 41 years old and I look young. He asking you if you want to marry him. No, sorry, Nistar. I'm sorry. Hi, John Quiz. Hi, John Quiz. Thank you for joining pa. Done. Sterling. Really, I would never thought. Yes, Pa, I'm 41 years old. My God. Feel young. And Kevin McConnell. Hi.
Ayun po sa'yo mo.
Kevin McConnell. I'm fine, doing crafts. Thank you. Amor Suede, Argentina, Soltero Corazon. Star from Argentina. I am 57 years old and I am 6 feet and tall with hazel eyes color. Wow. Hazel eyes. And me, I'm black eyes color. Black. Hi, Gorgeous Cheryl. Hi, Sir Kevin. I need to dance. Sobrang mong ganda talaga. Sobrang mong ganda. Thank you, Pa. Yes. How is your morning? My morning is beautiful morning. Does she have many sweethearts to marry you? I don't know. No. Yes, green mixed with brown eyes color, but I have been told that my eyes change color every once in a while. Oh, okay, wow. Beautiful stomach. Bisita man eh. Dan.
Sino ba nagbigay ng panyunay? Dati magmukha ka pang lalaki kaysa sa akin. Hindi ko maipaliwanag, hindi ko maipaliwanag ang lahat. Dahil ikaw palagi hinahanap, ikaw laging hinahanap sa pagkain ko. Ikaw ang nasa isip, isip kita hanggang sa panaginip. Kasi ikaw ang iniibig ko. Ikaw lang, wala nang iba. Dati magmukha ka pang lalaki kaysa sa akin. Hindi ko maipaliwanag, hindi ko maipaliwanag.
Thank you, Sir Ben. Thank you so much. Ang ganda. Thank you sa nagla-like. They said 80s style.
Bring the 80s back. Bring the 80s back. Let us stop now. Now stop. Bring the 80s back. 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 When I've got the future on my mind, know that you'll be the only one. Make me
Hi, Musha. Lovely. Who's cute. Thank you. Maryland. Hi.
Dati mas mukha ka pang lalo. Sana'y tapusin na at wag na lang sabihin ako'y bababaero, bababaero, bababaero daw ako. Sino nagsabi, magkakating labi, hindi naman totoo. Puro invento sa
Sa kwento. Bababae.
Sana'y tapusin na you're my own truth. I need you like water, like bread, like rain. I need you like
Sing from heaven's grace. There's the freedom in your arms. Courage be free. I need you. My God.
my own truth. It's from the M-Town to the UK. When the girls all dance, dance, dance. You are my only, you won't be lonely. magsisisi bakit ka ganyan. Ang daming nangyayari araw-araw kay matapang ngayon na nanatili. Isang karamay kung ngayong gabi isisimamot tayo kung magsilbing iyong medisina. Para lang sumaya kaya tumahan ka na. Hindi kita masisisi bakit ka ganyan. Ang daming nangyayari araw-araw kay matapang ngayon na nanatili. Isang karamay kung ngayong gabi isisimamot tayo kung magsilbing iyong medisina. Isang araw, dati mas mukha bang pang lalaki. Natutunan kong huminga na ngayon ay wala ka na. Masasanay rin ako na wala ang yakap mo. Masasanay rin ako na di marinig ang boses mo. Kahit mahirap kakayanin ko ang sakit na iniwan mo. Darating din ang araw, masasanay rin ako. Natutunan kong huminga na ngayon ay wala ka na. Masasanay rin ako na wala ang yakap mo. Masasanay rin ako na di marinig ang boses mo. Kahit mahirap kakayanin ko ang sakit na iniwan mo. Darating din ang araw, masasanay rin ako. Natutunan kong huminga na ngayon ay wala ka na. Masasanay rin ako na wala ang yakap mo. Masasanay rin ako na di marinig ang boses mo. Kahit mahirap kakayanin ko ang sakit na iniwan mo. Darating din ang araw, masasanay rin ako. Natutunan kong huminga na ngayon ay wala ka na. Masasanay rin ako na wala ang yakap mo. Masasanay
Thank you so much. 5 Liams! High five, please!
kahit mahirap kakayanin ko ang sakit na iniwan mo. Darating din ang araw, masasanay rin ako. Natutunan kong huminga na ngayon ay wala ka na.
Hearts!
Masasanay rin ako na wala ang
Oh my God!
masasanay rin ako na di marinig ang boses mo. Kahit mahirap kakayanin ko ang sakit na iniwan mo. Masasanay rin ako na wala ang yakap mo. Masasanay rin ako na di marinig ang boses mo. Kahit mahirap kakayanin ko ang sakit na iniwan mo. Darating din ang araw, masasanay rin ako. Tutunan ko umiwas na ngayon ay wala ka na. Masasanay rin ako na wala ang yakap mo. Masasanay rin ako na di marinig ang boses mo. Kahit mahirap kakayanin ko ang sakit na iniwan mo. Darating din ang araw, masasanay rin ako. Natutunan ko huminga na ngayon ay wala ka na. Masasanay rin ako na wala ang yakap mo. Masasanay rin ako na di marinig ang boses mo. Kahit mahirap kakayanin ko ang sakit na iniwan mo. Darating din ang araw, masasanay rin ako. Natutunan ko huminga na ngayon ay wala ka na. Masasanay rin ako na wala ang yakap mo. Masasanay rin ako na di marinig ang boses mo. Kahit mahirap kakayanin ko ang sakit na iniwan mo. Darating din ang araw, masasanay rin ako. Natutunan ko huminga na ngayon ay wala ka na. Masasanay rin ako na wala ang yakap mo. Masasanay rin ako na di marinig ang boses mo. Kahit mahirap kakayanin ko ang sakit na iniwan mo. Darating din ang araw, masasanay rin ako. Natutunan ko huminga na ngayon ay wala ka na. Masasanay rin ako na wala ang yakap mo. Masasanay rin ako na di marinig ang boses mo. Kahit mahirap kakayanin ko ang sakit na iniwan mo. Darating din ang araw, masasanay rin ako. Natutunan ko huminga na ngayon ay wala ka na. Masasanay rin ako na wala ang yakap mo.
Tayo na tayo.
Masasanay rin ako
Natapon ang tubig na tuloy, oh.
ang boses mo. Kahit mahirap kakayanin ko ang
Ba't tinatang
sakit na iniwan mo. Darating din ang araw,
Huwag mo na ko baril,
masasanay
sleeper.
rin ako. Natutunan ko huminga na ngayon ay
Cheryl, quick thumb. Ganon. Have a good one. Thank you. 5 lanes. Thank you so much. Girl Cheryl, you seem very happy today. Thank you. Yes. Sir Ben. Nasasanay din ako.
Okay? Doon sa labas ko, ha? Get? Okay? Mama, ang sunod-sunod. Bakit may tulog? Mawala ako ba? Kasama din yan? Ay, business niya? Hindi. Lumakay naman. Wala nang lalabas, ha? Dog!
Join Chris, thank you. Hi, Twin Cities. Thank you so much. Thank you po. God bless. Have a nice day. Oh my God. What is this? What is that?
Mulong na nagmang, pwede mo ka na. Mulong kasi baka asak. Ano, Harley, paulaw ko na ika. Punto ng kandidato. Ako rin natin kumalogot. Eh, kung lang na nagbabakan mo.
so much.
Masasanay rin ako. Natutunan kong huminga na ngayon ay wala ka na. Masasanay rin ako na wala ang yakap mo. Simula pa lang. Alam mo naman, aalis na ako. Hindi naman ako nagkulang na sabihin sa'yo yun eh, di ba?
So, hindi ako enough para baguhin ang isip mo?
Sabi mo nun, kung hanggang saan lang yung kayang ibigay ng panahon, di ba?
So, lahat ng ginagawa ko para maling ka. Lahat ng binibigay ko.
Inaas mo ako isang beses sa... Inaas mo ako. Mas mukha ka pang... Dati mas mukha...
I've been trying to forget
Thank you,
you,
Begla.
but I can't. You made me a fool. It ain't cool. It's like there's something missing in my life. Maybe it's you. I've been trying to forget you, but I can't. You made me a fool. It ain't cool. It's like there's something missing in my life. Maybe it's you. I've been trying to forget you, but I can't. You made me a fool. It ain't cool. It's like there's something missing in my life. Maybe it's you. I've been trying to forget you, but I can't. You made me a fool. It ain't cool. It's like there's something missing in my life. Maybe it's you. I've been trying to forget you, but I can't. You made me a fool. It ain't cool. It's like there's something missing in my life. Maybe it's you. I've been trying to forget you, but I can't. You made me a fool. It ain't cool. It's like there's something missing in my life. Maybe it's you. I've been trying to forget you, but I can't. You made me a fool. It ain't cool. It's like there's something missing in my life. it's you. I've been trying to forget you, but I can't. You made me a fool. It ain't cold. It's like there's something missing in my life. Maybe it's you. I've been trying to forget you, but I can't. You made me a fool. It ain't cold. It's like there's something missing in my life. Maybe it's you. I've been trying to forget you, but I can't. You made me a fool. It is you know, you know, you know that I love you, and I've loved you all, and I miss you, but far away for far too long. I keep dreaming you'll be with me, and you'll never go
Thank you, Josie. Thank you, Josie.
And I loved you all.
I love you all along. I love you. Hey, Terry. Thank you, Terry. What happened? Thank you, Sir Teddy. Teddy. Thank you, Sonaga likes. Thank you for the likes. I love you. I love you all along. I miss you. How are you doing? I'm doing fine. I clean home. Doing live. I'm doing live. I love you. I love you all along. I miss you. Champion, chomping, chomping. Hello. I need to.
How can I make it through the day without you? How can I make it through the day without you? How can I make it through the day? I wish you knew how much I love you. I wish you knew how bad I need you here. I wish you knew how much I miss you. I wish you knew how bad it hurts to hear that you're not like it on earth anymore. I wish you knew how much I love you. I wish you knew how bad I need you here. I wish you knew how much I miss you. I wish you knew how bad it hurts to hear that you're not like it on earth anymore. I wish you knew how much I love you. I wish you knew how bad I need you here. I wish you knew how much I miss you. I wish you knew how bad it hurts to hear that you're not like it on earth anymore. I wish you knew how much I love you. I wish you knew how bad I need you here. I wish you knew how much I miss you. I wish you knew how bad it hurts to hear that you're not like it on earth anymore. I wish you knew how much I love you. I wish you knew how bad I need you here. I wish you knew how much I miss you. I wish you knew how bad it hurts to hear that you're not like it on earth anymore. I wish you knew how much I love you. I wish you knew how bad I need you here. I wish you knew how much I miss you. I wish you knew how bad it hurts to hear that you're not like it on earth anymore. I wish you knew how much I love you. I wish you knew how bad I need you here. I
likes. Saying hi, smiling. Smiling.
You're not like it on earth anymore. I wish you knew how much I
Keep
love
smiling. I'm loving you. Keep winning.
I wish you
9:20
knew
p.m.
you.
p.m. here. I need to sleep at
You knew how much I
4:15 a.m. Comes quick hugs and kisses with
I wish you
sweet,
knew how
sweet
much
dreams. Thank you, Sir Teddy. Thank you.
you're not like it on
Hi, Sir Kenneth. Sir Kenneth, hey, how are you? Hello,
I
pretty
wish
young
you
lady.
knew
Huh?
how much I
Eager
love
Cross. Hi, thank you, Sir Eager Cross. Nasa isip ka, napapanaginip
kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nasa isip
I'm okay. Thank you, Sir Kenneth. Thompson. Thank you, Sir Teddy. Thank you for joining.
magpunta. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta.
Thank you, Sir Kenneth. How are you? I'm fine po. Tumo, Siyempre Hermosa, Raul Perez. Hi, Raul. I'm fine po, Sir Kenneth.
Kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi,
Nasa isip The one is here. Ay, baro. Sa pili-pilit ko. Thank you, 57 people.
Alam mo, sabi ko sa sarili ko nung una, hindi mo na ako may in love. Kaso nagpapansin ka eh.
sudah? Ha? Nasa ruda? Adobo. Ha? Adobo na. Kichay? Hindi naman kasi sa pinipilit. So much paperwork. What's up? Oh my god, what happened here? Hi, Eric Jomi. Eric Jomi, hello. How old are you? I am 41 years old. 41. Hello, I'm from Indonesia. Ang kapayapaan ay laging sumainyo. Oh, thank you so much. Misad. Thank you, Misad. David, hey David. Sayed. Hey Zayed. Eric Jomi, hola saludos. Raul Perez. Hi, thank you. Thank you sa likes. Hindi naman sa pinipilit ka. Thank you po. Thank you sa nag-likes. Thank you. Oh, thank you 59 people. Oh my God. Salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you sa nagla-likes. Thank you po. Thank you. Lurking, lurking. 37 million. 37. Free to ano. Hindi naman sa pinipilit ko. 60 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you pa. Hindi naman sa pinipilit ko. Ako na lang kasi ang piliin mo. Pag luging-lugi ka na. Wala. Luging-lugi ka na talaga. Thank you. Pag luging-lugi ka na. Parang sa akin tunay na. Misat. Misat. Misat talaga pangalan. Oh my god, what time is it now? Oh, 10:47. 10:47. Oh my god, what happened? To Derek Johns. Busy tomorrow. Have an appointment tomorrow. Have an busy tomorrow. My god, oh my gulay. Tomorrow. Huh? 8 p.m. orientation, Dennis, vegetable, program orientation, conference from Bagsana. Oh my god, tomorrow. Hawaiian, Bataan. I have an appointment with you every time you live stream. Yes, tomorrow. My colleges message me something because, oh my god. Tomorrow, oh my god, I have an appointment with you. Hi Alvarez, Alexander Picado. Hi. Where are you from, Alexander? Hello, good morning, from Brazil. Juazito Papa. Ano? I'm back to say hi to my cutie pie. Cutie pie. Hi, Pedro. Hi. Pedro, thank you so nag-likes. Thank you for the likes. 41 million in the house. Alexander, what? Hola, Francisca, tudo bom comigo? Você está tudo bem? Oh my God, ang ingay. So loud. Alvarez, like, I don't understand what you mean. Maybe you can translate it in English or Tagalog. Maybe Alexander. Hey, Ronald. Ikaw naman kasi lugi ka na. Thank you so much, Ronald. For the 3 people in the house. Masalamat sa nag-likes. Thank you for the happiness and faithfulness. Old woman. Early morning, she wakes up. Knock, knock, knock. Good morning. Ay. It's time to make up. Comment. Oh, wow, nag-adobo.
Ash?
Sino nag-adobo? Ha?
Paguro kay kung may na. Muro kita dun din eh.
Hi, Francisco. Darating. Hindi ako na lang. Hi, old man. Life, thank you pa. How are you? Have a great day. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you, sir. How are you po?
Ang galing ng tae ko.
Ha?
Ang galing ng tae ko.
Ano?
Nag-flash siya ba?
Ay, wow. Smooth ang tayo mo.
Smooth
Ba tawag doon? Walang masyadong toxic. Very organic. Thank you, 47 million in the house. Sino ang nag-adobo?
Wala, natagman lang yun.
Ano adobo? Sino ang nag-adobo?
Natagman lang yung karapaw.
Ah, hain man. Nagtuod ito. Daghan? Ah, yade. Ah, daghan pala. Pag una, kumawa lang ito.
Ay, di na, magpapa ka na.
Hulugan.
Kala ko Shopee.
May nagtinda sa diyo.
Alay mo yun dito.
Ah, nao.
Kasi tindaan mo.
Pwede masira mo na ano. Magkano ang irog sa dinera?
25 ata.
Marabarato na. May ba irog sa din? Mahalo ng lubi. Napagaling mo na po na ano. Gaway.
Damo ko na dito. Halika. Kumain ka.
Ah, sige. Ano? Hindi kayo sugo para may kaupag ako. Magayon. Maa. Maa.
Tara, makakapo ka man.
Maa. Ah. Again. Eat again. Yes, eat again. Maa. Ha?
Beg.
Beg.
Beg me.
Beg. Ah, beg. Tubig.
Yes.
Beg. Maa.
Okay na, huwag mo dyan kayo mabasa. No.
Nye.
Ngi. Ngi.
Sinang papo dyan?
Si, ano, bata ni tita.
Papo ni Babang.
Si Ash. Naganaduwa.
Nalilimot ako sa
Ano ni Kaiha?
Oo. Huli na puto. May
Pagayon sa putong.
huli.
Pabuhukan. Maa. Thank you sa nag-likes. Thank you pa.
Kung si Bibi pag nalapad ng roso, kaya kung makatama.
Oo, Maa. Iniisip ko, ang suda ni Gabi ito pala sa ano.
Masaya ko mo.
Nakamuta ako, alam nga yun na oras. Nahabok ako, kayo tulo lang ako. Wala akong magagawa pa. Parang hindi ko harang ko. Mag-isa lang pala ako. Makalog pala mag-isa. Kung iturog lang ko. Tumurog ako, ganyan ko magturog. Pinilit ko kagabi magturog, kaya tulo lang ako.
Oo.
Nakamata parang ano, pakakalog magtulog.
Pakalok magsulo ha.
Wait lang.
Tapos sanay ka na pero may kaupon.
Eh, Wonder Sun! Hi, Wonder Sun!
Ah. Jela, ah.
Maa! Palit. there's a star in the night. Maan. Hindi na ano na lang ang tindahan. Naglilibot sila kung nagpipinigil ko sila.
Ano, yung bibilin sa mga karinderya.
Hindi deliver na lang. Hindi tubuan ng 5 pesos ha.
Very like that. Ano ba? Basta dakuan in anong tubo sa karinderya.
35.
35.
Lucas, pass. Hello, Lucas. Hi. Hello. May regalo siya sa kay Jela ng Ashley. Magayon. Yeah.
May regalo siya.
Basta siya. Pag-ano yun.
Pinabili niya.
Hindi rin yun. Parang, saan birthday? Ay, March pa ng birthday mo ha?
March 2.
March 2. Si Manila, March 1.
Jayla! Asan ka ba? Oh!
Mas kaya mga sarang ano na yan. Adobo pa ng may pineapple. Tidbits.
Tapos inimit ko. Butang usap ko.
Kaya manamis na yun.
No!
It's another egg.
Turo.
Turong.
Wala income tita ang pag-live mo. Baka income.
Ngayon, mas malaki na yung income sa live.
Paglalay.
Hmm.
Or dahil sa pagdarasal.
Sa card.
Pero pag live lang, nawala hasag.
Wala ka man sumpa. Wala ka boring man.
Wala income.
Wala, ano lang. Diba man, talking. Pero kapag Elson, may worth it man. Tapos mas wala hatag. Pagkatapos mo sa live, may ads. Nakita mo sa ads. Pag monetize ka na. Pero kapag hindi ka pa monetize, wala mo.
Monitors ka na.
Kaya, mas wala naghatag. Kaya po. Worth it man. Kailangan ka gayon ang pag-monetize na. Tsaga-tsaga lang. Ano ba kasi sabihin ang
Si Kuya Ben. O yung si Mama ko.
mahal ka gabi?
May tayo dito. Ay, hasang ka man.
Matang.
Hindi yung sa ano, parang may dumi pa.
Sabi niya.
Mama, kinagaon ka rin dito. Sa mga
Sige.
Sabi ko man, ay nagtawag hindi mo nag-limpia. Sino nag-limpia?
Sino?
Sino? Yung limpia lang, like, pinahugasan lang. Kuya Ben, nakasama na.
Kaya nakasama na dito.
Hindi mo nakaintindi sa mga.
Pag hihirap ka nga, kaya kung maano sa ako doon, makain. Ako man, pag doon, ang bangus niya, dito ko na ito pag ako, minsan pa na nabagos niya. Maski yung para rimpiyahan na na, wala pa kain.
Di man ada maaram ng para limpia kami anak ka updo. At ito na pa eh. Ano yan?
$71 likes. My God, you're amazing, guys. Thank you for the likes. I'm gonna let her go.
20. Go, go. Go sleep. Are you married or taken? I'm not married, but I'm taken. I'm not married, but I'm taken. Hi, Alija. Oh, wait. Alija Bobs. Okay. Alija Bobs. Gardner. J. Miller. Hey, William De La Cruz. Right on. Right on. What? Right on. Salamat sa nag-likes. Why does it hurt me so? Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. If you want it, take it. If you want it, take it. To those who hates me, to those who judge me, and if you want it, take it. Joke. Smile. Lurking, lurking. If you want it, take it. Sing a song. What song I sing? What song I should sing? Psst, I'm back. Sir Fred, oh my God, look, Sir Fred, almost 3 hours my life for the first time. Where's my hubby? Oh my God, what happened? He mad at me? Give a Monchi. Give us what Monchi? What Monchi is? What is that? Monchi. Sorry. He's lazy. He's lazy. No lazy. Bawal lazy. No. Ik is lazy. The lazy is Ikes. Get up. Get up. You want it? Take it. Thank you to those who sending the hearts. I heart you down. What if I really sleeping 8 to 10 hours? Yeah, maybe he take sleeping pills. That's why. He take sleeping pills. Because he mad at you. He feels so tampo. He mad. He had me on phone till 12 to 1 this morning. Huh? That's why. Sir Fred, you are the reason why he felt so tampo. After you got off, we are on the phone. Oh, okay, why? My God. He felt so much tampo. We tried calling. We tried calling you. Ah, okay. No, I'm sleeping. Already sleeping. And I'm going to give him a lot of more tampons. You're so bad, girlfriend. You're bad talaga. You're so bad talaga. You made him tampo. Give him used to Philippines. Get him used to Philippines. I meant more tampo, yeah. You give him more tampo. Not good. Don't wanna let her go. That's it. Hey Sultan, huh? How are you? Wow, Carlos. Hi Carlos. Salamat sa nag-like. Aray. Why? Thank you, Carlos. Don't you know you saw me? You are beautiful. Sir Fred. Thank you, 31 million. I'm okay lang. Okay lang ako. I'm always fine. I'm always okay. Salamat sa 28 ng mga tao ngayon. You're always okay, yes. And don't make me tampo, Sir Fred, please lang. Don't! God! I know how you are. Don't make me tampo, my God. Please lang. Stop! I don't want to cry anymore. My God. Mike showed me that last night. Huh? Showed you? What? What do you mean? Sir Fred? Subago. Hi, Sir David. The way you just put your arms. The way I just put your arms. What it means? I put my arms? Arms. Like this? Like you were mad. This? Okay. I like this. Stubborn. We don't want her mad. Yes. Thank you, Sir David. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back some days. She might hit me if mad. Oh, your wife? Thank you, 37 million. I'm going to make her mad when we come to mountain. Oh my God, no. I will push you. You know what? I remember when I'm grade school, he bullied me like this. Cheryl, like this. He pulled my hair. Then he ran. Then I want to, and then I ran. When I catch him, when I fall, I pull him. Then he he break her leg. Don't bully me, Sir Fred. Oh my God, I don't know what I do. I don't know what to do. No, just teasing. I know, justice. Oh, you scare me so much. No? You don't know what can I do. But oh, you can scare me so much. Yeah, I'm small, but my God, don't try. 4'9", better run. I run fast. When I catch my classmates, he's a boy, then I pull him. Then he break her legs like this. Then he was done to balance. You have a saklay. David, I just locked him out of the house. Oh, I will destroy your house. Problem solved. I sleep in a storage house. No, I will destroy your house. Ah. Hey, hi, beautiful. Hi, Sir Darren. Thank you for joining. I will destroy your house, Sir David. Sir Fred. Destroy my house. Remember, my wife has 3 machetes. So what? I will tell your wife the story. Because it's your fault. Your wife is a Filipina, so he will understand. She will understand what I'm doing. She won't believe your story. She will believe me. She will believe me. She will believe. I run fast. My God. Very good. Cheryl went past 200 subs today. Ah, right. Thank you. Oh, that's good. That's good, Sir David. That's great. Keep going. Keep it up. Smash the like, guys. Thank you, Darren. Feme Polat. Keep pushing. Yep, keep pushing. You will. I miss you, Cheryl. Fernando Jr. Fernando? I forgot. Where are you from, Fernando? Someone's bullying you, Cheryl. No, just teasing me. No, not bullying. Just a joking. Just joking. Yes, me. My gulay. Where's my teddy bear? Sir Fred. So pretty girl. Hi, Roy. Here and her husband. Oh my God. Hi! Masige. My God. Oh, okay. I thought someone was bullying you. No? No one. You have no right to bully me. Because I'm too nice to them. So, no need. You have no right. They bully me behind my back. I don't care. So, just Fred staring you. Yeah. Tell me if someone is bullying you. Now, no one. Fernando, no one. Fernando po Jr. No one. The teddy bear! I can manage the enemies. Minay. I will. Wait till they get her and then bully not is. Lol. Hello, beautiful. Greetings from Mexico. Hi, Cesar from Mexico. Vosimuito Linda. Hi, I'm the mini Fernando. What mini means? Fred, hey, what's up? From Fernando. Biglang nagbago yung inip ng hangin, ah. Hmm. "27 people in the house. Hello." "25 people." Repays. What is nagbago ihip ng hangin? I mean, the will of change. Change of the wind. Ang hirap mag-explain. Hangin means wind. Bago change. Bigla, suddenly, change the will. Europe, see your very beautiful Cheryl. Sir Fred. My godness. I need to end the live because I need to prepare going to work after lunch. Thank you so much for joining everyone here. Thank you, Sir Fred, Fernando po Jr. Thank you, Sir Darren. Thank you so much. Roy. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Sir David. Sir Kuya Ian. Thanks a lot. Sir John. My friends here and my supporters here. Thank you so much. Hindi ko maisa-isa. Old man Derek Johns. Thank you. Old Man Lives. Thanks a lot. Sir Kenneth. Thank you. Igor Cross. Thank you so much po. Big Lon. Sir Ben. Donnie. Juin Crest, thank you. Twin Cities Transit, thank you so much. Five Flames, thank you so much. Thanks again. Sir William, Carol McConnell, a lots of friends here. Oh my God, Sir Ranel, thank you so much. Thank you pa. Sir Damian, Sir Marcos. Sir Jamie Moore, thanks so much. Sir Dwayne Shamrai Kai, thank you po. Bye bye. I need to end the live because prepare to go into Korea. Nagralaway ako. Thanks so much. God bless everyone. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. But he passed away, Fernando. You look like him, Fred. Huh? How is Fernando? Thank you. See you next live. Thank you for now. I need to end the live because busy na busy. God bless. Love you all. The teddy bear. The bear. Bye bye.